The water started coming in. Once it was ankle deep, two of my children come to me and asked me if we could put tents on the roof. And my first response was, no, it's a brand new roof, no, no. Once it got dirty and oily and greasy, they came to me again and they said, Mom, can we put the tents on the roof? And I'm like, just looked down, shook my head and said, just do what y'all gotta do. We were up there for like 8 hours, and I'm looking at all the water flowing in and all that, and I'm like, you know, it's either sit up here and make jokes or cry, guys. But we lost everything. Clothes, food, dishes, pictures of my husband. I lost him in July of 2016, a year before Harvey. He had cancer, but you wouldn't have known it to see him. If it wasn't for the grandkids, I wouldn't make it. And I know Brian's not here, but I feel his strength sometimes coming and pushing me too. It's like, you know, you gotta keep going. You gotta keep these kids taken care of and fed, and so I do. Right now it's just temporary. The bedrooms are sheetrock with air conditioners, the restroom works, and then we have a makeshift kitchen, crock pot. My understanding, once all the funding comes in, this house will be tore down, and they are going to rebuild me another one. So we just take each day. We all go to work like we're supposed to. We're just at a standstill now just to wait and see, you know, what kind of help's going to happen next. So we're comfortable here, and it's home.